For Johnny Blaxland, reading history at Exeter University is a dream that just a few months ago seemed almost impossible. The 19-year-old, who's an experienced skier, was enjoying a weekend on the slopes in Switzerland when disaster struck. While attempting a backflip, Johnny landed heavily on his head and was immediately knocked unconscious. He was airlifted to hospital where scans revealed a severe brain injury. After spending 4 days in an induced coma, Johnny woke to weakness down one side of his body and also to discover he was blind in one eye.
It was really frightening because obviously it was very confusing, and I didn't really realise that, I kind of thought for a while that no one could see out their left eye, so I was like, you guys can't see out your left eye, right? And it sort of dawned on me that actually I might not be able to see again.
3 weeks after his accident, Johnny returned to the UK and was seen by the aptly named eye surgeon, Stephen Lash.
If you imagine Johnny's face is just staring at us, okay? So this is like the red eye of a camera, but in focus, so his nose, mouth and 2 ears here. Did an ultrasound scan, just like babies in tummies, but we just put the probe on the eye. And there's a very odd sort of, for want of a better description, like a jelly just wobbling at the back of his eye, and I'd never seen anything like this before.
Johnny was diagnosed with Terson syndrome and underwent a risky procedure to remove a vitreous hemorrhage.
And when we saw him immediately after the operation, his vision was 1 line better than driving standard, we were absolutely thrilled with that. But then when I saw him in September, his vision was actually better than 20/20 vision. So he's delighted, and I'm delighted and relieved.
Thank God for Dr. Stephen Lash, because he's worked a miracle. He worked a miracle on my eye, and I've got perfect vision now, and it's amazing to have it back. Really amazing.
We're really proud of him. He's had to cut back on a lot of things this year when all his friends are doing other things. He's had to say no or stay at home. He's never complained. He's been incredible. He's just realised that this is a short-term moment. I think he knows how lucky he is. He definitely knows how lucky he is.
Rachel Hepworth, ITV News.